Hi, so in this video we are going to explore all the settings of the Osmo Pocket 2. So let's get started. So after turning on, you just have to swipe down and you will get to see the different settings where you can make your screen full screen or the normal ratio. Then you can format SD card if you want to clear the current data from SD card. Then you can turn on the selfie where while you are capturing it will track your face. Then there is a accessories. So there is a one more do it handle component is there that you have to attach over here at bottom. That is Wi-Fi wireless module. Once you connected that, you can able to access the Wi-Fi into DJI Osmo Pocket. Then here you can select the shutter speed or a zoom in of your gimbal. To turn on the waterproof mode, you just have to mount your casing and then in a setting over here display waterproof casing mode, so you just have to turn on. Once you have that waterproof case, then it will go to the waterproofing mode. Now it's on. I haven't added, I'll show you this into my other video. Then if your gimbal is some limit exceed or out of range, then it will give some error like this, exceeding a limit or something. So at that time you can calibrate your gimbal. You just have to select calibrate option and it will realign it properly. That is comes under accessories. Then calibration also comes separately. From here also you can do calibration. So you just have to select the calibration and make your gimbal stable. I'm just shaking, that's why it's not calibrating. I'll follow the SOP as they said. You just have to tap on OK. Do not touch pocket. Basically while doing calibration you just have to put gimbal on some surface, then it will calibrate properly. Done. Flicker option where you can have some settings auto or 15 hertz. This will glow your I will show you the footage, and as per footage you can see the difference into 50 60 hertz and auto mode. Then there is a ketone on or off, so this will give you extra additional glow to your footage you are capturing. Then there is a more option. Inside more you can select the language, you can reset this and you can get device info, what is the firmware, camera firmware and gimbal firmware, and some serial number of your device, the battery information, input and output, battery current status. So that's it for this video. Soon I'm going to drop some videos that all the settings I have used into outdoor environment. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.